Kitchen Planning Quiz, Part 3. You will now see 5 questions relating to planning your kitchen with DIY Kitchens. All the questions are multiple choice and are designed to help you with different aspects of kitchen planning. You will get 20 seconds to answer each question, and don't worry if you guess wrong, as the correct answer is shown after each question. Let's begin. Question 1. How big is the rear service void on our 300mm deep wall units? Is it A. 17mm, B. 27mm, or C. 37mm? Time's up. The correct answer for question 1 was A. 17mm. The service void allows for things such as under-unit lighting wires to be easily concealed in the space behind the wall units. Question 2. How high are our base units from the bottom of the 150mm feet to the top of the base unit, including a 30mm thick worktop? Is it A. 800mm, B. 900mm, or C. 1000mm? Time's up. The correct answer for question 2 was B. 900mm. Once the 150mm legs are added to the 720mm high base units, 870mm is achieved. Once a 30mm thick worktop has been added, the ideal height of 900mm is created for working on. Question 3. Where does an integrated dishwasher need to be placed? Is it A. inside a dishwasher base unit, or B. in the space between 2 units? Time's up. The correct answer for question 3 was B. in the space between 2 units. Once in place, you secure an appliance door on the front of the dishwasher to fully integrate it into your kitchen. Question 4. How big can a solid surface worktop overhang be, without the need for supporting it? A solid surface being quartz, granite, or Dekton. Is it A. 200mm, B. 300mm, or C. 400mm? Time's up. The correct answer for question 4 was B. 300mm. A solid surface worktop can have an overhang for a breakfast bar. Any overhang larger than 300mm would need some support underneath it to ensure that it's secure. Question 5. True or false? Can laminate worktops be produced with curved edges? Time's up. The correct answer for question 5 was true. Our square-edged laminate worktops can indeed be produced with curves. This look is more usually associated with solid wood or quartz worktops. Part 3 complete. How did you do?